Guys, we are nearly there. We are finishing the Me Helping You Build a Gaming PC series with today's topic, the SSD. Obviously, we're going for an NVMe card and not SATA, much faster. In terms of brand, again, there are many out there and many of them are good. Don't think too much about it. Go for a reputable brand like Samsung, Crucial, Western Digital or similar. Maybe don't choose one that has a Phison controller on it because they were affected by Microsoft's latest faux pas. You will have to decide if you want a Gen 5 or a Gen 4 card. There's a huge speed difference between them. Gen 5 has nearly double the speed of Gen 4. Do you really need that? Probably not. Gen 4 is more than sufficient with 8 GB per second and much cheaper. Size-wise, you have to decide for yourself. I recommend a smaller SSD for the operating system and a bigger one for your data. I'm going for a Samsung 2 TB drive for my operating system and will later get a 4 TB Samsung for my data. I'm not yet sure if it will be a Gen 4 or a Gen 5, but I will keep you updated. That's it. You might already have spotted some parts behind me, more are on the way and will arrive this week. And then it is finally building time. Subscribe to the channel for the final results of the build and leave a like for the video. It helps the channel quite a lot. This is Schnödel from Schnödel Studios. Goodbye.